Good morning class. This is the second video of chapter 7, more about multiplication. In previous exercise we have discussed about one digit multiplication, and today we are going to solve multiplication of two digit numbers without regrouping or with regrouping. So firstly we are going to discuss about multiplication of two digit numbers without regrouping, means no carry numbers is going forward to the next place value. Simple multiplication we are going to solve here, but all of them are of two digit. Before this we were solving the multiplication of one digit number, just like 4 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, like this. But from here we are going to start multiplication of two digit number, and in this exercise we are going to discuss without regrouping, means no number is going carry forward to the next place value. Simple multiplication, whatever we are multiplying there, that numbers is written over only that places. Okay, so first example is multiply 14 by 2. This is two digit number, means we have to multiply these two digit number by 2. So here some points, some steps are given here, and we have to follow these steps, then solve the multiplication 14 by 2. So what is the first step? Write the numbers in column, like multiplication, like addition and subtraction. First step is you have to arrange the number in column form. So these are two digit number, so we can make two columns, tens and ones, then write on the number. So we have to multiply 14 by 2, so these 14 should be in first place, 1 should be in tens place, then 4, and we have to multiply by 2, so here you have to write 2. Okay, first step is completed. Multiply ones by 2 and write under ones column. We are starting all application from the ones place. Addition, subtraction, from where we will start? We are starting from the ones place. So like that we are starting multiplication also from the ones place. So we have to multiply 4 multiply by 2. So 2 4s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 4s are 8. So you have to write 8 in ones column. Then moving to the tens column, 2 multiplied by 1, 2 1s are 2. So it should be in tens column. Yes, you can see here third step, multiply tens by 2 and write under tens column. So firstly what we are doing? Firstly we are arranging the numbers in column form, then we are starting multiplication and start from ones place. So 2 into 4, 2 4s are, you have to find 2 4s are 8, and 8 we are writing in the ones column. Then 2 1s are 2, and it will be written in the tens column. So this is the multiplication of 14 multiplied by 2. Now other questions, find the product. Already it is arranged in the column form, you have to do only multiplication and start from here from the ones place. 2 2s are 2 into 2, like this, 2 into 2 this, so 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so 4 should be here. Then tens place, 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so 6 should be in the place of tens. And this is the multiplication of 32 multiplied by 2. Next is tens and ones, 13 into 3. Start from ones place. 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3s are 9. So 9 should be here. Now moving to the next place, tens, 3 1s are 3. So 3 should be here. Okay, like this you have to solve multiplication of 3 digit number, but these are the problems without regrouping, means no carry number is left here. Next exercise, again you have to do multiplication of 2-digit number, but here it should be with regrouping, means carry number should be forwarded to the next tens value. Here we are regrouping only ones, means in ones place you will get 2-digit number and one number is going forward to the tens place. Okay, regrouping ones only, means from ones you will get 2-digit number and then you will rearrange that number. Okay, so here also one example, multiply 26 by 3. You have to follow these steps, then you have to solve it. So multiply 26 by 3, what will be our first step? We are going to arrange the number in the form of column. Write the numbers in column. Sorry, it is wrong. Okay. So we are arranging this number in the form of column. How many numbers are here? 2-digit. So tens and ones. In first place 26 and we have to multiply by 3. This is the first step. Then multiply ones by 3. It is 2-digit number, so write ones place number in ones column and tens place number carry over to the tens place. Means we are going to start multiplication from this place, ones place, 3 6. So 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15 and 3 6 are 18. So 18 is a 2-digit number. So number which is in ones place should be written here 8, and which is in tens place carry forward to the tens column here 1. Okay, what we are doing? We are multiplying ones place, 3 6 are 18. Out of 18, 8 should be in the ones place and 1 is going forward to the tens column. Now you have to multiply 3 by 2 because it is in your question, and whatever is coming there now, that numbers is going to add with the carry number. Okay, so 3 2s are. Third step you have to see here, multiply tens by 3 and carry to that number, add carry to that number and write under tens column. So multiply 3 by 2. 3 2s are 6. Yes, 3 2s are 6. Now you have to add this carry to this number, 6 plus 1. So it will be 7. So here you have to write 7. Understood? Firstly, we have to arrange the number in the column form. Then you have to start the multiplication. Start multiplication from ones place. Okay. 6 3s are 18. I am getting 2-digit number. So these 2-digit number, we are writing the number which is in ones place in the ones column, and next number is going forward to the next tens place. Now we have to multiply 3 by 2. 3 2s are 6 and this carried number is added to this number and that will be written in the tens column. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 and 7 is written here. Understood? Okay, next two more problem of this exercise. Find the product tens and ones. Problem is given here in the form of columns, so you have to do only multiplication. So start from ones place. 4 into 4, 4 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So we are getting 2-digit number. So 6 should be in ones place and 1 is carried forward to the tens place here. Now 4 2s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 and this carry number is added to a 8, it will be 9. So this should be written here 9. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 should be in tens place. This is the multiplication of 2-digit number with regrouping of ones number. Next is, again it is arranged in the column form and you have to do only multiplication. 3 7 ja, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18 and 3 7 ja 21. So out of 21 we can write only 1 in ones place and 2 is going forward to the tens place. Now multiply 3 by 2, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So here it should be 8, 81. So these are the multiplication of 2-digit number with regrouping or without regrouping. So you have to solve all questions of exercise 7b and 7c. In next video we will solve further exercise. That's all for today. Thank you class.